Hello everyone, I am SP Niranjan from Department of Computer Science with AI and DS. Introduction. What is the concept? The idea of using AI to interpret dog barking, body language and emotions. Enhance human-dog relationship. Why is it important? Better care and understanding of dog needs. Potential to improve training and well-being. How AI works in dog communication. Key technologies: machine learning, computer vision, natural language programming, NLP. Example of input: dog barks, tail wagging, ear position and movements. Finally, recordings for dogs emotion. Application: pet care, AI alert for health issue. Training: personalized training program based on dog feedback. Resume operations: understanding dogs in stressful situation for better action. Challenges and future scope. Challenges: lack of comprehensive database for training AI. Variability in dogs' breed and behavior. Future scopes: development of portable AI transmitters, integrating with smart home system for pet movement, enhance emotional intelligence in AI to complex emotions. Thank you.